Hello everyone, welcome to Washington Gun Law TV. I am Washington Gun Law President William Kirk. Thanks for joining us. Hey, listen, this is going to be a quick video, but I want to clear up some confusion as it relates to Washington's proposal for a high-capacity magazine ban, or what we're calling Senate Bill 5078. There are other folks out here who are saying that the time has expired on that, and I want to clear up some confusion and give you a very clearly definitive answer on that. So let's talk for a few minutes today about, has time really run out on Washington's high-capacity magazine ban? Okay, before we get rolling, you guys know the drill. If you like this video, go ahead and click that like button down below. If you want to stay up to date on issues related to your Second Amendment rights, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Click the little bell logo if you want to be notified when we post new videos. And most importantly, especially when it comes to this legislative stuff, let's keep the comments and discussions coming. That's how we're going to make sure we're getting our videos out to more lawful and responsible gun owners like yourself. Okay, so yesterday I was inundated with several emails and text messages from some of you, the viewers out there, who had seen a video by another individual who does reside in Washington State, has a much larger audience than Washington Gun Law, and is actually a person that I watch, and I'm quite entertained by him, and I really do like this person's videos. This video claimed, I should say, that the time for which we could get Senate Bill 5078 onto the floor and for a final vote, thus passing it into law where it would then head to the governor's desk for signature, had actually come and gone, and therefore that fortunately Senate Bill 5078 had expired, had died on the vine, and we were saved for yet another year. Is that true? The answer is no, it is not. Now, if we go to the legislature's own website and we see, as of today, March 2nd, the bill is currently sitting in committee. And yeah, it has not been scheduled to be to the floor for a vote yet. But is there some type of a scheduling conflict that would give the legislature or create an inability to get this to the floor? The answer to that is no, there isn't, so long as it's brought to the floor by this Friday. So under the agreed upon rules this year, any bill which does not pertain to the budget has to be introduced to the floor for a vote no later than the end of session this Friday, March 4th. Now, if the bill somehow or another was attached to the budget, they can actually extend debate all the way up until the final gavel drops. But if you take a look at the fiscal notes on any of these bills that we've been watching, there really is not a big budgetary impact. So unless more gamesmanship is played, this bill has until the drop of the gavel this Friday evening. Now, you sit there and you go, well, how can that possibly be? How can something happen so quickly? It's sitting in committee. What's the chance of it really happening? Well, I want you to pay attention what happened just yesterday with both House Bill 1705 and House Bill 1630. Because we can see that just yesterday, on March 1st, they were sitting in committee also, were immediately introduced to the floor for a second reading. Obviously, there was procedural objections made. The then floor voted to override the rules, basically to suspend the rules so that they could take a third and final vote. And yes, both House Bill 1705 and House Bill 1630 were passed by the legislature yesterday and now head to the governor's desk for signature. Of course, 1705 will be a restriction on untraceable firearms and 80% lowers, and 1630 will now restrict possession of firearms at any building in which school boards are conducting business. So, the bottom line is Senate Bill 5078 dead? Not at all. There is plenty of time. I would urge all of you to carefully watch this bill. I will put the links for you to watch down below. We have until the drop of the gavel this Friday, March 4th. If it is not introduced and voted onto the floor, then this bill will have officially died on the vine. Listen, you may have some more questions about Senate Bill 5078 or anything else related to your Second Amendment rights. And if you do, don't ever hesitate to contact us at WashingtonGunLaw.com, or of course you call us directly at 425-765-0487. Now let's remember, part of being the lawful and responsible gun owner, like we talk about all the time here at Washington Gun Law, is to know what the law is in every situation and how it applies to you in any instance that you may find yourself. Until next time, thanks for watching and stay safe. Hello again, everyone. Hey, just wanted to remind you that Washington Gun Law is doing our first ever live chat this Monday, March 7th, 7 p.m. Pacific time. That'll be just a couple of days right before the legislative session ends. I'm sure we will have lots to talk about. So bring your questions, bring your ideas. Most importantly, bring yourself right here live on YouTube, 7 p.m. Monday, March 7th. See you then. In the meantime, stay safe.